Hello, little artists. Welcome to Color in Play. Today, we're drawing a super cute pink ice cream. Do you love ice cream? What's your favorite flavor? Let's get started. Can you guess what shape we're starting with? That's right. A circle for the scoop. What's your favorite shape? Oh, look. We're making the cone now. Should it be a waffle cone or a sugar cone? Which one do you like? Yum! Time to add the melty drips. Have you ever had ice cream melt in your hands? So sticky and fun. What's your favorite ice cream color? It's coloring time. I love pink. Let's make this ice cream super yummy. Wow! Our ice cream looks The pink ice cream looks so soft and sweet. Should we add some glitter? Our ice cream looks I love sparkly treats. What do you think? What if we put a tiny bow on it? Or maybe a little heart on the cone? What would make it cuter? We're almost done. Our ice cream looks delicious. If you could eat any flavor right now, what would it be? You're doing amazing. You are such a great artist. Show your drawing to someone at home and see what they think. Be sure to show your drawing to your friends and family. You're a superstar artist. Great job, little artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to Color and Play for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye.